grab your iPhone because it's a great trick to screen capture an image of a full page that's a lot bigger than what it shows on the screen. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. You'll learn more tips like this and get my newsletter for free. Follow these directions to take a screenshot of an entire page that goes way beyond your screen. All you're going to do is open the app, or for example, I do this a lot on Safari, a website that you want to capture as a full page screenshot. You just press the power and volume up buttons simultaneously to take a screenshot, and then you'll see a preview of the screenshot at the bottom corner of the screen. Tap on the preview to open the screenshot editor, and you'll see two options: screen and full page. Tap on full page to see the entire page of the screenshot, or hit screen just to see the visible part of the screen. You can use a slider on the right to scroll through the full page screenshot. You can also crop, annotate, or share the screenshot to save the full page or the screen as an image. Tap Done in the upper left corner and click Save to Photos. Open the Photos app and you'll see the full page screenshot as an image. How easy is that? Check out more quick tips like this at cyberguy.com. Get my newsletter by opening a browser now. Type in cyberguy.com and click the red button.